Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Correct answer is option B. Question 2. The capital of Australia is Moss. Correct answer is option C. Question 3. The inventor of the telephone was E. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. Water freezes at Bordeaux degrees Celsius. Correct answer is option A. Question 5. The national animal of China is Eladilao. Correct answer is option B. Question 6. The smallest planet in the solar system is Eris. Correct answer is option A. Question 7. The longest river in the world is B. Correct answer is option A. Question 8. The currency of the UK is the Sekiori. Correct answer is option B. Question 9. Mount Everest is located in Tiarao. Correct answer is option B. Question 10. The first president of the USA was I. Correct answer is option B. Question 11. The capital of Canada is Us. Correct answer is option B. Question 12. The human body has 5 bones. Correct answer is option B. Question 13. The national sport of Japan is taekwondo. Correct answer is option B. Question 14. The inventor of electricity was Max. Correct answer is option B. Question 15. The capital of Italy is Au. Correct answer is option A. Question 16. The largest desert in the world is wide. Correct answer is option B. Question 17. The father of computers is Dewey. Correct answer is option B. Question 18. The currency of Saudi Arabia is Ash'ar. Correct answer is option B. Question 19. The capital of Germany is Au. Correct answer is option A. Question 20. The largest continent is Price. Correct answer is option B. Question 21. She died watching TV when I called her. Correct answer is option A. Question 22. We asked us this movie before. Correct answer is option B. Question 23. They bowed their football when it started raining. Correct answer is option C. Question 24. He made called to the office yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 25. The children boss already eaten lunch. Correct answer is option B. Question 26. He back here since morning. Correct answer is option C. Question 27. We bow walls in this city for 10 years. Correct answer is option C. Question 28. I lost my keys yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 29. She I Demar never been to London. Correct answer is option A. Question 30. They daddy out to school every morning. Correct answer is option C. Question 31. She all boss to finish the work tomorrow. Correct answer is option C. Question 32. He took tar in the park at this moment. Correct answer is option A. Question 33. The teacher snatched us English. Correct answer is option B. Question 34. The letter H by the postman yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 35. He'd out to help me when I was in trouble. Correct answer is option B. Question 36. They up to the party last night. Correct answer is option C. Question 37. She knock a beautiful dress today. Correct answer is option B. Question 38. I boss lunch when he arrived. Correct answer is option C. Question 39. He the work by tomorrow. Correct answer is option C. Question 40. The capital of India is Exashu. Correct answer is option B. Question 41. The inventor of the light bulb was Washus. Correct answer is option A. Question 42. The national bird of Pakistan is and. Correct answer is option B. Question 43. The world's largest island is. Correct answer is option A. Question 44. The capital of Turkey is Jorine. Correct answer is option B. Question 45. The planet known as the red planet is Sas. Correct answer is option B. Question 46. The tallest building in the world is Jai. Correct answer is option B. Question 47. The chemical symbol for gold is Tapas. Correct answer is option B. Question 48. The world's largest rainforest is Kaiting. Correct answer is option B. Question 49. The currency of China is Baokos. Correct answer is option B. Question 50. The world's longest mountain range is. Correct answer is option A.